Hi, this is Jason from the QuickBooks team. At the end of each calendar quarter and year, you'll need to file federal and state tax forms with the appropriate agencies. You can do this through QuickBooks Desktop Payroll Enhanced. Let's go over how to prepare, print, and e-file your federal forms. For this example, we're going to show you the Quarterly Federal Form 941. Before you start, you'll need your Federal Employer Identification Number, or EIN, and your filing schedule or frequency. For electronic filing, it's required that you have a QuickBooks Desktop Payroll Enhanced account, you're enrolled in the IRS e-file program, and your 10-digit IRS e-file PIN. If you aren't enrolled yet, you can do so through QuickBooks. We'll show you how. Before filing your federal forms, we'll need to set up your tax filing method first. Go to Employees, select Payroll Tax Forms and W-2s. Then select Process Payroll Forms. From the Other Activities list, select Manage Filing Methods. Select Filing Methods. Select Federal Form 941. Then select Edit. Under Select how you want to file the form, select Filing as Responsible Individual, Owner, Partner, Corporate Officer for a single FEIN. Then select your filing method, e-file or print and mail. Then select Finish. Remember, if you want to electronically file your federal forms, you need to enroll in the IRS e-file program and have a QuickBooks Desktop Payroll Enhanced subscription. If you haven't enrolled yet to the IRS e-file, select Enrollments. Then select IRS, and then Edit. Follow the on-screen instructions and make sure all information is valid, then select Send Information. Enrollments can take up to 45 days. In the meantime, you can print and mail your federal forms. Your Federal Form 941 is set. Select Finish to close the screen. Repeat the same steps for each federal and state form you want to set up. You're all set. Now let's go file your federal forms. To start filing your federal forms, go to Employees, select Payroll Tax Forms and W-2s, then select Process Payroll Forms. Let's start with the Federal 941. Select Quarterly Form 941 Schedule B, Employer's Quarterly Federal Tax Return. Then select Create Form. Let's select the last calendar quarter as our example. QuickBooks only allows you to e-file forms that are due for the most recent closed quarter. If you need to e-file prior forms, go to irs.gov. Now you have the Federal Form 941 ready. Review each page of the form. Select Check for Errors. If QuickBooks detects any errors, they'll appear in the box above the form. Select the error in the box, and it will take you to the section on the form that needs to be fixed. You'll need to fix all errors before you can e-file. When you're ready, select Submit to print or e-file the form. To print and mail the form, select Open Printable Version. Select the item to print. Then select Print PDF. This will give you a PDF version of the form. Select the print icon on the PDF toolbar. To electronically file the form, enter your 10-digit IRS e-file PIN and follow the on-screen instructions to submit the form. Within 24 to 48 hours, you can check the status of your submitted forms under Filing History. Congratulations! You've successfully filed your forms. Great work!